content, guys. When I see a lady driver, right, I'm a little bit scared, like trauma. I don't know how the night clips will be captured by my GoPro. Daye barundulla barsan. No, I think haldi is going on. Mehendi haldi. Let's start the night ride. Tadan, 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 tadan. Right indicator. Let's go in the flow where they are coming. I don't know. I have not done the morning session video where I was coming to college, which I have not captured yet because I was late. I don't know how the night clips will be captured by my GoPro. Let's see how the file comes, how the outcome comes. I feel like it's raining, I think. Yeah, it's raining. Shit. No, man. No. Daye barundulla barsan. Daye barundulla barsan. From Mangalore to my hometown, Kaikamba. Oh man, the roads are wet. The roads are wet, so the rain had come, and right now it's not raining. I'm scared to go in the middle, because when I see a lady driver, right, I'm a little bit scared. I'm not saying that lady drivers are dangerous, but
गाड़ फटे तो फटे, नवाबी न घटे.
For me it's because I have experienced before, so I'm scared. Like trauma, what we can say, trauma.
रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता. Can't stop, dude. We can't stop, dude, because and also riding a two-wheeler, and the pressure inside, if there something potholes or something humps, then the pressure increases. There is no other option. We can't get any public toilets right here. Then, and one more thing is that it's a rainy season, cold weather, the production is very high. Dogs gang war, dogs cold war. They are preventing their colony, guys. Dogs are very strict in their colony wise. I have seen many places where if any other dog comes to their colony, then the fight will start. Marpit, pettugalate one pelate open. The house is decorated. I think a housewarming ceremony is going on. No, I think haldi is going on. Mehendi haldi celebrated grandly. Why? Because bhajans. Train is going. Train is not going. Train is railing. I don't know. Shit. So the Mehendi is one of the grandest function where we celebrate in Mangalore. There will be a DJ. There will be food, non-veg food. As usual, non-veg food. It will be made very grand, and also DJ parties. And
जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
DJ means there will be alcohols also. Many of them come for that only. It's a dark truth, or it's a bright truth, I don't know.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
How the people will take, I don't know. It's maybe a dark truth or a bright truth. It's their choice. I don't know how the night clips comes, but I saw some YouTuber. It was coming very well. I have not yet fully sat and saw the settings of GoPro experts. Oh, aircraft is going. I didn't say about my bike. I'm riding Hunter 350 Rebel Blue, and it's been a year. It's been a year I have bought, and my experience in this bike is awesome. Swami Gurugach. Poor content, guys.
इतनी खुशी मुझे आज तक
Side mirror. I think he broke the side mirror. ಮಿರರ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋಗಿದವರು ಪಾಪ. The truck driver broke the lady's car side mirror, so she was in middle of the road and saying that our mirror ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋಗಿದಾವ. It happens, but I have a trauma on that lady drivers. And yeah, what we can say, ಪಾಪ ಮಾರೆ ಆ ಕಾರ್ದು ಒಂಜಿ ರೈಟ್ ಮಿರರ್ನ ಪುಡತ್ತದು ಅವಳು ತೊಂದಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮನಿ ಪೂಜೆದ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೂ ತೂಪಿ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಂತೇನ ಅಂದೆ ಓವರ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಂತುನಾಕ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಬೂರ್ಲು ಪಾಪಾರ್ ಪನ್ಪಿನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಹೊಡೆದು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು ಹೋದವ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಹೋದವ. I was seeing why that lady is standing. Then I noticed that side mirror is not there, so I went forward. See, they can't handle that situation very well. Or else if the same situation, if I was there or some other guys, some other males were there, they would have stepped down and you know the situation, what happens. And in Mangalore it will be worst. And the Mangalore our Tulu language, in Tulu, nerade banda neradene. Scoldings are next level in Tulu.
भाषण कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
I am happy that I got content, but I don't know what to say. At that place I am lagging right now. I can't talk that fast. Oh my god, rain. I can't talk that fast at that situation. The lagging place is that I want to speak in that kind of situation in English. I have to think. Now I have to think that what to say. So that is a place where I am lagging right now, and I should be fluent in that kind of place. I have said in the last video also that I want to be fluent. This is the main reason that why I want to be fluent. The replying fast speed is more fast in Kannada or Tulu, but not in English. So that is where I am lagging, and I want to be pure in that.
समझ रहे हो ना?
And guys, here the rain comes. They are wearing raincoat right here. It means rain is not there in Gurupura. I think so. I hope so. Hey Siri, call. ಎಂತದಾ?
ಏ ಭುಜಂಗ ಬಾರ, ಒಂದು ಉಗ್ರ ಹೋರಾಟ ಉಂಟು.
ಹಾ, ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಹೌದಾ? ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸೀನ್ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾರಾ? ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಂ 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 ಹಾಂ, ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ fast and furious. So I have stopped right there. Why? Because my father owns a event business, and right there was a sound systems, and I just called the guy who works for us and asked, are there? I think I saw that function got ended, so I just called him and asked who is coming. So he said guys are coming, other teams are coming to pick him up. That's my night ride.
ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಬಾಯ್.